Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can enable key press sound on your Google keyboard. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So if I go to the Google keyboard, just go to the search and it will open the Google keyboard, and if you can see, if I'm typing, there is no sound. So how I can bring sound on that? So I will open the keyboard again, and then all you need to do is to tap on the setting icon. Once you tap on the setting icon, it will bring you here. From here you need to tap on the preferences, and here you need to scroll down where you will find sound on key press. So all you need to do is to enable that one. Once you do that, now I will go back and open any chat, and I will show you that the sound is coming. I will make you hear it. So guys, this is all it takes to enable the key press sound in Google keyboard. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.